After the popular Thunder, red and yellow, we have a third in a row. The Air Jordan 4 Retro White Thunder, released a few days ago. Let's take a closer look at them and how they look on the feet. This new iteration brings a bold contrast with its black nubuck upper, complemented by crisp white accents. This sneaker features a white midsole that sharply contrasts with the black outsole, creating a look that's both striking and versatile. The iconic Jumpman logo on the heel and tongue patch serves as a nod to the rich heritage of the Jordan brand, making this release a must-have for fans and collectors alike. The Jordan 4, originally released in 1989, has long been a favorite among sneaker enthusiasts and basketball fans. Known for its unique design elements like the mesh paneling, visible air unit, and supportive wings, the Jordan 4 has cemented its place in sneaker history. Released on August 24, 2024, the Jordan 4 Retro White Thunder retailed at $215. Do you like them and think their price will go up? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.